My fridge is full of condiments and lovely little syrups for cocktails or even just milkshakes, just like this delicious vanilla bean paste sugar syrup. Super easy, you only need 3 ingredients. So into a pot, I'll add 1 cup of caster sugar, along with another cup of water, and some vanilla bean paste for that really beautiful, intense vanilla flavour. I'll need about 1 teaspoon, so we'll roughly measure that out. And we want this on a high heat to start with. We'll bring this to the boil, then turn it down. It's going to cook for about 2 minutes till it becomes quite syrupy. The vanilla bean syrup is ready. I've turned the heat off and now we just have to place it into a sterilised jar, ready to chill down and then pop in the fridge. I love this, particularly because I can see the gorgeous vanilla beans. Look at all those little speckles. This will last up to 2 months in the fridge and it is perfect, like I said, for a milkshake or maybe a little cocktail.